Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Liberation Day, Friday, May the 5th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and this one you are interested. Binary puzzle. Yeah, a binary puzzle number 6388. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Less than 30, less than 20. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Alright. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Here we have 3 O's in the first column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 3 O's, same situation as the first column, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column, third column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here, same situation as the first column. 3 O's, if I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then I'm afraid I need to compare. Yeah, we need to compare. No. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. Without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.